24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear teacher. I welcome you on behalf of the Snowman publishers to an online tutorial on section 2 of the chapter 10 of Science Grade 4, which covers the topic Using Mobile Phones and First Aid Handbook. The video will cover knowing and using the First Aid Handbook using a mobile phone. So let's get started with the teaching plan. Welcome the students in class and saying Assalamu alaikum and how are you all? Write the words using a mobile phone on the board and tell the students that they'll be learning about useful features of a mobile phone today. Prepare flashcards of different phone icons such as calculator, alarm clock, calendar, and camera. Show them and ask if the students are able to identify the icons on their own. Explain what these icons represent and describe their uses. If possible, bring a spare smartphone in the class and allow the students experience real-time uses of a cell phone by themselves. More than one cell phones can be arranged for this class and specific activities be assigned to students in groups which they complete using these applications. Write the word First Aid Handbook on the board. Start building on the previous knowledge of the students and ask them to share a story when any of them got injured and got a wound. Ask them to tell what they immediately did to care for the wound and stop bleeding. Then explain that the first help given to an injured is called first aid. Students are familiar with some very commonly used medications and handy bandages used around all the time. Ask them if they have ever had a bandage on themselves. Read out the passages about the first aid resources one by one, such as swabs and bandages. Arrange the first aid resources in the class if possible and guide the student volunteers to demonstrate tying a bandage. Similarly, read about a thermometer, ointments, and cold pack and make a demonstration where possible. For homework, you can ask the students to make a list of first aid resources in their notebook. With this, our sessions complete of Book 4. Thank you, Honorable Teacher, for your patient listening. Allah Hafiz.